I'm County Administrator Taryn Krista. Welcome to the Martin County Weekday Update for Thursday, April 23rd. Protecting the health and safety of our employees, residents, and visitors remains our primary goal. Today, I want to review the structure and system we follow, which allows us to effectively and efficiently manage as we move through this health crisis. At the local level, the county and municipalities, law enforcement agencies, school district, health partners, and nonprofit organizations continue to meet and dialogue as we respond to, mitigate the impact of, and plan for the recovery from COVID-19. We work in collaboration with our partners to provide for our community in a well thought out, carefully planned manner. We meet regularly, much as we do during a hurricane. A representative from each agency provides a status update and discusses any unmet needs. Martin County Emergency Management supports the resource requests by coordinating with the state. Let's go through a brief update from our partners. City of Stuart adopted a resolution to extend their local state of emergency until May 11th and is conducting hybrid City Commission meetings. City of Stuart Police continues to respond to calls for service and notes a decrease in COVID-related calls. Town of Swills Point extended their local state of emergency until April 27th. Town of Ocean Breeze is providing services by phone, and the town of Jupiter Island extended their local state of emergency as well. The Village of Indiantown declared a local state of emergency until May 19th and is conducting virtual council meetings through the month of April. The Martin County Sheriff's Office is responding to calls for service and fielding resident questions regarding face coverings in public, restrictions to sandbars and the waterways, and other resident concerns. Martin County Fire Rescue continues to respond to emergencies and aids emergency management with logistics support for resource requests. The Florida Department of Health in Martin County provides prevention messaging and agency support to residents, businesses, and the board, and continues to follow up with long-term care facilities. FDOH has published a list of long-term care facilities that have had a confirmed case of COVID-19, launched a COVID-19 Community Action Survey, and maintains a dedicated web page to provide the most up-to-date information and guidance. Cleveland Clinic continues providing outpatient drive-through testing for COVID-19 by appointment at Martin North and Tradition. The Recovery Task Force within Emergency Management is working with United Way and a network of local nonprofit agencies to provide support for residents in need. The county manages and coordinates this entire process and is currently conducting advanced future planning efforts to develop a framework of conversation for reopening Martin County, as well as hurricane season in the time of COVID-19. Our recommendations to the board and county decisions are based on data and collaboration. The future planning and county recommendations for reopening Martin County will take into account the Trump administration's federal guidelines, recommendations from Governor DeSantis and the task force, as well as Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the Florida Department of Health recommendations. At tomorrow's meeting, we'll once again hear updates from our Emergency Management Agency, Cleveland Clinic Martin Health, the Florida Department of Health in Martin County, and the United Way of Martin County. We'll provide recommendations to the board for open discussions on what reopening our county looks like and how do we do that strategically while continuing to stress the importance of maintaining healthy habits. Thank you for watching and stay safe. I encourage you to watch tomorrow's special meeting on our website, UVerse Channel 99, Comcast Channel 20, or via the live feeds on our Facebook and Twitter.